How to add Westpac card to Apple Wallet. Follow the instructions. Open the Westpac app on your iPhone. Log into your account. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Apple Pay and tap Search. Select the option to add your card to Apple Pay. Scroll through and choose the card you want to add. Tap the button to add the selected card to Apple Wallet. Review the card details shown on the screen. Tap to confirm the card information is correct. Agree to the terms and conditions if prompted. Wait for the verification process to begin. Receive a verification code by SMS from Westpac. Enter the verification code into the app when asked. Your card will be added and ready to use with Apple Wallet. Thank you for watching.